It's Ratchet from Ratchet and Clank the video game. And here's the guru.
Hello. Ratchet and Clank. This is Ratchet. See the Ratchet. He's really cool. I waited for a very long time to get him because I got two from his series. I waited a very long time to get him because I wanted to give him a better price. I got him for $5 from Toys R Us on clearance. He looks super cool. His tail can move around. He's got ankle junk going on, so I can do a 360 with his foot. He's got some thigh action. Shoulder up and down, forward, and all that good stuff. But there's one really bad complaint. His head moves. That's good. His wrists move. His forearm even moves fully around. That's very good. But the worst part about him is, watch, I'll swing. Ah! Me arm! Just like that. So it should stop here. But instead it goes all the way down to there. So that makes him immediately retarded to me. It's hard to play with him with this in his hand. It will be hard to play with him with that in his hand. But he's super cool. I love the colors. I love the design. It's very Tron almost. It's just really cool to me. Waited a very long time for him. It's worth $5. And no good review is complete without the advice from the third nipple. Was it good price, third nipple?
Yes, it was the best price.
Alright. Well, now we got him out of the way. Let's fight! Took him down fast. Rebuilt him just as fast. Yes, I've always wanted my own robot. I live to serve! Alright, I'll fix that later. Did you come to fight too?
Oh, no. Just passing by. Like deers. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Well, that was interesting. Now to outer space!